upcoming days. Look at question number 21. Here it says ABCD is a parallelogram A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, is it? In which E is a midpoint of CD. So E is a midpoint of CD. And P is a point on AC. So AC is joined. And P is a point on AC such that this is 1/4 AC. Such that PC is equal to 1/4 AC. EP is produced. So EP is joined and this is produced. This point is P. To cut BC at F. Prove that F is a midpoint of given AB, CD is a parallelogram in which E is a midpoint of CD, P is a point on AC such PC is equal to 1/4 AC. Clear? Now EP is produced to meet BC at F. To prove F is a midpoint of BC. Now the solution we can just say solution, let BD join. Let BD join. Is it? So in triangle DCB, E is a midpoint of CD. So EF parallel to BD and EF bisects BC according to converse of midpoint theorem of midpoint. So we got F is a midpoint of BC, proved. Then next we have to prove that 2EF is equal to BD. Again BD is equal to or half EF is equal to BD according to midpoint theorem. So that's what EF is equal to half BD. What am I right? EF is equal to 1/2 BD. We know this is a parallel and half. Midpoint theorem, so 2EF is equal to BD, proved. This only we had to prove. This is question number 21. Please write it. Then in question number 22 it says ABCD is a kite in which BC and CD is equal. So we'll draw a kite first for question number 22. Number 22 it says ABCD is a kite. A, B, C, D, in which BC is equal to CD and AB is equal to AD. Okay, E is a midpoint of CD, E, F is a midpoint of BC and G is a midpoint of AB. Okay, given ABCD is a kite in which AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. E, F and G are midpoints of CD, BC and AB respectively. To prove angle EFG is equal to 90 degree and the line drawn through G parallel to FE. The line through G parallel to FE and bisects DA. Okay, this is the question they have asked. Now the solution we have, let AC and BD join. I am joining AC and BD and they intersect each other at O. So what do we know? At 90 degree, property of kite, diagonals they bisect each other at 90 degree. This is the property of kite we have, is it? Now if this is 90 degree, in triangle EF I am joining, in triangle BCD, EF are midpoints of BC, CD and BC. So that's what will be, EF is parallel to BD according to midpoint theorem. Again, in triangle ABC, F and G are midpoints. In this triangle BCD, EF was midpoint, so EF would be parallel to BD. And now ABC, GF are the midpoint, so GF would be parallel to, so that's what GF is parallel to AC according to midpoint theorem. this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. So that's what. So GF perpendicular EF as AC perpendicular BD, is it? If AC and BD is perpendicular, so GF would be perpendicular to EF. So that's what angle EFG is equal to 90 degree. As what do we know? The diagonals of kites are perpendicular on each other, is it? We know this is a perpendicular. Now this is parallel to this line, is it? And this is parallel to this line. So if this is a perpendicular, this would be perpendicular. This would be perpendicular, is it? So that only we have to prove. So EFG we got, that is a 90 degree. Second situation, it says the line through G is parallel to FV. Now a line, if I constructed according to converse of midpoint theorem, is parallel to BC and bisect AD. So we'll write a line again let GP constructed through G. So what it will be? GP parallel to BD or parallel to EF and bisect AD. Why? According to converse of midpoint. So this is proved. If it is a parallel to BD, it would be parallel to EF. According to converse of midpoint, a line constructed from the midpoint is parallel to second side and bisect the third side. So if it is parallel to BD, so it would be parallel to EF. That is proved. So question number 22 is also done. Next we are left with question number 23 and 24. That we will be solving in the next class. So for today you just leave it up to you. Thank you, dears.